Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Technology is constantly evolving, and it's no secret that it's changed the way we work. But what you may not realize is that it's also changing the way we collaborate. That's right, we're talking about the rise of human plus AI collaboration in modern enterprises. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, let me break it down for you. Human-AI collaboration refers to the partnership between humans and artificial intelligence, working together towards a common goal. And this collaboration is transforming the way businesses operate. One key insight to take away from this is that AI is not here to replace humans, but rather to enhance and complement our skills. Think about it. AI is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends, and making predictions at lightning speed. This frees up humans from time-consuming tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level creative work. The result? Increased productivity, efficiency, and innovation. So how exactly is human plus AI collaboration being implemented in modern enterprises? Let's take a look at some real-life examples. First, we have chatbots. These are AI-powered virtual assistants that are integrated into websites and messaging platforms. They are able to handle simple customer inquiries and offer personalized responses, freeing up human customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. This not only improves the customer experience, but also allows businesses to handle a higher volume of inquiries in a shorter amount of time. Next, we have AI-powered data analysis. With the amount of data being generated in today's digital age, it's nearly impossible for humans to analyze it all on their own. That's where AI comes in. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, AI can quickly analyze data and provide valuable insights to inform business decisions. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. And finally, we have collaborative robots, also known as cobots. These are AI-powered robots that work alongside humans in a shared workspace. They can perform repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. This not only increases productivity, but also creates a safer work environment. As you can see, the possibilities for human plus AI collaboration are endless, and it's not just limited to large enterprises. Small and medium-sized businesses can also benefit from this partnership by utilizing AI-powered tools and software. So, what does this mean for you as a tech-savvy individual? Well, it means that having skills in both technology and collaboration is becoming increasingly valuable in the job market. So, keep sharpening those tech skills and don't be afraid to embrace AI as a partner in your work. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and tips. Thanks for watching.